In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice with Xero. For anyone running a business, large or small, getting your invoicing right is crucial. It's not just about sending out demands for payment, it's about doing so in a professional, timely, and accurate manner. Today we're going to make that process a little bit easier by walking through how to create an invoice using Xero, a popular online accounting software that simplifies financial processes for businesses. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you can find in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will bring you to the login screen. At this point, you're going to enter your registered email and password associated with your Xero account. This is your key to unlocking all of Xero's features, so make sure your credentials are entered correctly before hitting the login button. Once logged in, your Xero dashboard will become visible. This is where all your financial management takes place, but today we're focusing on invoicing, so let's move towards that goal. Look for the business tab. You might need to scroll a bit or look around, but it's there. Once you find it, click on it to expand your business options. Now within the business section, you'll see various options, but our goal is to create an invoice. So look for the invoices option and click on it. This action transitions us to the invoicing section of Xero, where all the magic happens. Here, to start crafting our invoice, we'll click on the New Invoice button. This opens up a blank invoice template, a canvas for you to fill with all the relevant billing details. It's really intuitive from here, but let's go through the essential steps to ensure nothing is missed. First up, adding your recipient. This is where you'll enter the details of the person or company you're invoicing. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment delays. Just follow the prompts. Xero makes it seamless to add new contacts or select existing ones from your list. Next, it's crucial to set a due date for your invoice. This lets your recipient know by when you expect the payment to be made. Xero provides a simple way to pick a date, ensuring both you and your recipient are on the same page regarding payment timelines. After the due date is set, the next step is to add the item or service you're invoicing for. Here you can describe what the invoice is for, the quantity, and the price. Xero allows you to add items manually or select from products and services you've previously saved. This flexibility is great for saving time and maintaining consistency in your invoicing. Once all the necessary details have been entered, inclusive of the recipient, due date, and item services, you're almost done. Before sending the invoice though, Xero gives you the option to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button, click on it, and your invoice is now saved. This function is particularly helpful if you're not ready to send the invoice immediately or if you want to review everything with a fresh pair of eyes later. And that's it, you've successfully created an invoice with Xero. The beauty of Xero doesn't end here though. Once you're ready to send the invoice, Xero offers several options to share it directly with your recipients, track when the invoice is opened, and manage payments received. Creating an invoice with Xero is designed to be a straightforward process, guiding you step by step to ensure your financial operations are as smooth as possible. Remember, the accuracy of the details you enter is paramount for ensuring prompt payment and minimizing any confusion. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're invoicing for the first time or looking to refine your existing process, Xero offers an excellent platform for managing your business's financials efficiently. Happy invoicing and see you in the next tutorial.